Okay, I'm going to start again for the students who are entering. Do not copy your resume. First tip for the job application. A cover letter is your sales pitch. That means your first impression. And the purpose of this letter is to convince the head of the institution that you are a strong candidate. Okay. And to highlight your relevant experience and abilities. Your application letter should show how exactly your background makes you a good fit for a particular position. And in contrast, your resume is a journal record of your experience, education, and accomplishments, whatever you have achieved till now. Then this letter tells that why you are an ideal candidate for the specific job, and this requires that you personalize each letter to fit the company and position. So match your qualification to the job. See, whatever statement is given, that company needs software engineer, principal, accounts teacher, English teacher, or software engineer, accountant, whatever. Okay, so please do take care whatever is asked in the statement. Please, in your resume, you have to enter that qualification accordingly by highlighting the skills, experience, and requirement listed in the description. Next is be professional. See, application letters have a rigid format. It is not your personal thing that you are highlighting in front of others. It should have a proper format, alignment, very decent and nice language, because it is expected to see certain information included in set areas. You have a freedom within the structure to be personable. That means you can add your hobbies, your likings, your experience. That is up to you. But formal level of the biodata is very important. Pay particular attention to the professionalism of your salutation. You don't have to write dear. Always write sir or ma'am. Okay? You wouldn't instance write dear or like that. Next, employers are likely to overlook an application with a lot of errors. See, whenever you send application, it is a general tendency that first of all they wanted to see the error committed in it so that they can restrict the candidates for the interview. Therefore, read thoroughly your cover and even consider asking a friend or a counselor to read the letter. If you made your job application, your biodata, your resume, you can go to some expert also, any counselor also to make it. So be particular, mindful to spell the letter recipient's name correctly as well as the company's name. Next is follow the business letter format. That is same. If you are sending a typed hard copy, be sure to lead with a paragraph containing your address, followed by date as recipient address, subject, salutation again, same as that of letter to editor. So meeting has now 100 participants. So others will see the recording. So please enter by first come first basis. If you are sending an email, you can omit the address and date sections. The main then decide whether to send a hard copy or email. Email actually is very important these days. If a company needs email, then it is mandatory on your part to send a mail along with your job application hard copy. Since yes, Vineet, you have already entered in the meeting. So now participants reach 200. So please, after entering into the meeting, don't leave it. Now, important point is, since your application letter will be accompanied by your resume, very, very important point. See, make sure the letter does not duplicate your resume exactly. That means no copying from anywhere. whatever qualification, specifications, hobbies, your everything, that you should be very authentic in that, true to your knowledge. Whatever you want to print on that, wanted to send to the company, that is on your own, that is exactly about yours. Okay, now see, I am going to, I think points are clear. See the format I have made for you people. This is the exact format of job application, and please don't put again any punctuation mark or something like that. Okay, see, first of all, sender's address, then space, after that date, like today's 23 July 23 JULY, comma 2020. You don't have to write 23.07 or 0.222020, whatever. There is one question in the chat box. Let me see. Okay, if any person leave the meeting, please, it's your responsibility. Now, next space in the letter head after date, receiver's address. Now, important thing is receiver's address. Please see whether job application for any company, for any school, or any firm, etc. According to that, you have to write the principal, the manager, the director, whatever. Okay, so that is very important, that please see who has what type of job you are applying for. So that at that this place, receiver's address, then space, then subject, application for the post of, I have put a blank, accountant, sales manager, software engineer, teacher, whatever. Then salutation. Salutation means sir or ma'am, no comma after salutation, and then the body of the letter, which I am going to show you after this slide. And yours truly, name, whatever is given. Uh, Below that, enclosures. See, there are two things. If you write this word enclosure below yours truly, then you write enclosures. But if you write it below biodata, then you can write enclosed, because you have already written biodata and certificates. Um, yes, you have to leave line after writing receiver's address for subject. Then C, I have already told you in your 11th standard that whenever you are writing a job letter, please make biodata on a new page from the fresh page. Don't bifurcate biodata on 2 pages, like 6 points on one page and next 6 points on another page. Don't do like this. Okay, so here it is, biodata. There are certain specifications here. You have to write down these points: name, father name, address, telephone number, date of birth. 12 points are mandatory. After address, date of birth, telephone number, email address, then educational qualification. Vansh, actually there may be a net problem. That's why my voice is not clear to you. Okay, educational qualifications, there you have to make a box within a box, like serial number, class, year, percentage. Draw everything with the pencil and scale. Don't make your work untidy. So educational qualification, don't write in the paragraph, but make a table form in a box within a box. Then references means people, actually this references point may be at number 10 or 11, because here you have to write down the name and address of those people who with whom you have already worked. Because when you write your work experience of 3 to 4 years, then you can write down the name and the company where you have already worked, so that your reference can be taken from those people. Salary drawn, salary expected, and last point is work experience and hobbies. So 12 points. I have not written here date of birth. You may write it date of birth. Okay. Now see, This is a it may be of need, it may be of 7 to 8 marks. I will actually since till last year it was of 6 marks in 12th standard, but now marking scheme has been changed, so I will see that it will be of 6 or 7. Okay, I will send you whole marking scheme of 180 marks of theory paper. Don't worry about that. So I hope that format of biodata is clear, job application is clear. Now I'm going to show you next slide. One sample letter. Wait. See, there is one sample letter. You are Anil Kumar. You wish to apply for the post of Vice Principal in GAV Public School, Pitampura. Write a letter to the principal. There is one query that why should we choose job application instead of letter to editor, because it carries marks 6 out of 6. Biodata is such an impressive thing that instead of writing letter to editor, if you attempt this question, your presentation of paper is very nice. Okay, so I prefer that the one should go for a job application. Okay, Kanksha. Now let's come to the question. A letter to the principal applying for the job. Your letter should be accompanied with the biodata. Remember, if this line is not written in the statement that your letter should be accompanied with the biodata, then also you have to, it is mandatory that you have to write biodata in the job application. Now you can make a fake address. That address is not given. Always of Delhi, 26 Friends Colony, New Delhi. Here it is written M105 Rajouri Garden, New Delhi. Spacing there, then 23 July 2020. You are writing to the GAV Public School, Pitampura. Okay, post for vice principal. So you are writing address to the principal. Okay, the principal, GAV Public School, Pitampura, Delhi. Delhi, you may write in the next line. Then after that space, or you may not leave space, subject application for the post of the vice principal. Sir is after subject. Okay, here it is written before subject. Please write sir after subject. Then application for the post of vice principal. Vice principal is already given in the statement. So see, this is with reference to your advertisement in the employment newspaper dated this. Suppose today is 23rd July, dated 15th July 2020, for the post of vice principal. I wish to apply for the same. See, this line is very important. Your starting line of job application must remain same. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Tribune, in the Hindustan Times, Times of India, any newspaper you may write if it is not given in the statement. Okay, dated, obviously week or 7 or 8 days back date you have to write for the post of vice principal. I wish to apply for the same. Clear? First line is clear. Okay, wait. Now see, this is the first line. I have just taken the attendance, that's why pause in between. Now see the next line. I have been teaching senior classes for over a decade and have handled, see, in this content you may write your qualifications, little bit your important, your specialities of the entire science department in my present school for the last 5 years. I have been the part of school delegation in both. This is your entirely your choice what you want to write about yourself. Okay, I have been part of the school delegation both in India and abroad. I have organized science fairs in our school and guided students in inter-school science competitions. Beside physics, I have good knowledge of computers, PowerPoint presentation, whatever, dash and dash dash. That means person is applying for the post of vice principal, and here he is writing his specialities in the letter to make it more impressive. Okay, there is one query in the chat box, let me see. resume means let biodata beta. Mehak biodata. Resume, CV, all are same thing. Okay. Now see, request you to go through my biodata and I look forward to a meeting with you so that I can join your prestigious institute in the capacity as a vice principal. I must also mention that I need to give 3-month notice in case I resign from my current job. So these are the specifications, qualities given by that person who is applying for the job. Yours faithfully, Anil Kumar name is given. Now see, biodata on the next page. This is incomplete. I will show you one more biodata in which you have to write down so many points. This slide, I just want to show that see the way educational qualifications have been written here. Serial number, first of all, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then degree or a course you can write, or a class also you can write, percentage of marks obtained. Okay. So it is class 10, class 12, graduation, post-graduation, B.Ed. You have to move in a sequential order. Jaspreet, you are roaming in your area class, in your house. See, you are not sitting somewhere and listening it. Video is open. I will remove you if you do like this. So educational qualifications. Here it is. I will show you the proper biodata after that. And see here it is written again at the lower end, enclosed. See, this thing you can write after yours truly also, where you write the word enclosures, biodata and certificates. And here it is written enclosed, biodata and attested certificates. Okay. Name, date of birth, nationality, marital status, qualification, address, telephone number, email, whatever points, salary expected, salary drawn, salary expected, work experience. See here it is given 5 years. So you can write there also in the biodata 5 years, because this person highlights his experience as a 5 years. Okay. Now I'm going to next slide, show you next slide. Proper biodata, how you make it. Please remember this point, biodata always on the new page. I'm going to show you one more picture. See here, this is exactly what do you mean I mean by biodata. This is a biodata of some other person, like name. First of all, see the alignment. This is the reason why I prefer job applications from you people. Name, father's name, date of birth, address, phone number, email address, marital status, age, nationality, academic qualifications. Here it is a problem, you write it in the table form. Okay, that's why I have shown you that point of educational qualifications, because in that biodata educational qualification was written in the table form. So here academic qualification in the table form you write from starting from your 10th, 12th, graduation, post graduation, or any other particular course. Then job experience, salary drawn, salary expected. Yes, I will send all these clippings in your class group. Don't worry about the written material, beta. Please listen to me and learn whatever I give you. Notes I give you, please learn those notes. Written material, you can get anything from me, whatever is your requirement, on the in the group as well as in your personal number if you want. Okay, don't worry about that. Job experience, then salary drawn, salary expected, hobbies, sports, strengths, your particular strengths like good communication skills, your proficient in English, all that. Names and addresses of the references. See, I have told you references point must be at the end. That means these are the names of two people where you have worked already, and they can tell you about your about you to the person who want to inquire about you. Okay, that is the why we are writing the words references. So this is the exact way how to write a biodata. Okay, clear? I hope things are clear. Yes or no, please respond me in the chat box. Any query, any question you want to ask? Okay. See, again, I am repeating. In the job application, first of all, prefer to go for a job application in the letter writing section in your board exam. Always start your any question of writing section on a new page, and in job application, biodata on new page. Complete your point till yours truly or whatever on the same page, and then biodata on new page, and draw biodata, make biodata or CV or resume like this, which I have shown you. So this is all about job application. After the class, I'm going to send you the 2 letters of job application. I would like to have answers from you people. You can post me on my personal number or in group your job applications on my personal number, so that I can check whether you are able to do this or not. Okay, shall I end the session today? Any question from your side? And I'm happy that today more than about total 100 participants in the class, and I hope that from next time onwards nobody will miss the class. After the class, I will send your attendance in the group as well as to the principal ma'am whenever I will take a Zoom class. Okay, any question, beta? If there is no question, then I would like to end the session. Yes, you can send the letter by tomorrow. No worry, Samriddhi. I am going to give you homework tomorrow. There will be a no Zoom class. So I am going to give you homework for written practice for today and tomorrow, both dates. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay. Thank you, students, for the class.